Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to toggle between the light theme and the dark theme in Power BI using Bookmarks. So I've already done some prep work and I'll take you through the process that I'm using. There could be multiple ways you could do it. You could do it using themes, but this is just the way I'm doing it. So I've got the light theme and the dark theme. So I've essentially just covered it into a dark theme page. And what I will do now is let's just go back to the light theme, and I've done some prep work. So what I've done is I've got some images here with me, and you can see I've got a dark image and I've got a light image. So what I'll do is I'll go to on the home tab. I'm on the home tab. I'll go to the insert tab, and on here I'll click on the image, and when that opens up I'll click on this lamp icon, which it's a PNG file. So I'll open it and it'll import it in. Now the first thing I want to do is change the size. So I've already got the dimension that I want, so I'll just change this. I've got this selected. I'll go to the general tab for this image. In properties I'll just say 37. So if I say 37 and then again 37, this is the image I want, and I've also got the location I want. So let's go to the position and we'll change that. So the horizontal is 1242 and the vertical is 14. So we'll do that and we'll put that in and we'll hit enter. So you can see that I've got it copied here. Yeah. So now that's good to go. But I want to say I want to also here add a. So let me just open this. I'll convert the action to on. I don't have a bookmark yet, but let's just on the tooltip I'll say click to and I'll just get out of there. So now if you see, if it says click to go to dark theme, and that's fair enough. So now let's just go to dark theme, and again on the insert tab I will import this image. So I click on the import, and here I've got the lamp white, so I'll bring that in. And again I'll change the same. So I'm going to change this image a bit. So let's go 37, which is what I wanted. And then we'll just change the position. So I think it's 1240, double checking it, 1242. So you want the same because so it sort of, you want an overlay on both of them. So it looks like nothing has changed. And here I'll again go back to the image. I'll turn the action on. I'll go here and I'll just say click to go to light theme. And hit enter. And now so if I go over this, click to go to light theme. So that's what I want it to be. Now we need to create bookmarks, so we'll do that. So let me save this first. And so now once it's saved, we'll go on the view tab and we'll open bookmarks and we'll open selection. But we don't really need to do much with selection. So let's just go to the light tab. And here, so we'll keep this as our default button. We'll just add a bookmark. Oops, sorry. So let me remove them. I was experimenting before this video, so taking it out. So let's start again. So I've got the light theme, so I'll just add a bookmark here and I'll just say light theme. So essentially what it does is that it selects this and says this is what we want to view. It saves it as one place, and then I'll just go to dark theme and I'll add another one and I'll call it dark theme and hit enter. Now we'll select this. So this one is to go to the light theme, so here in the action we'll just select type as a bookmark and we'll say the bookmark we want is light theme. So let me click on that and it takes us here. Now with this one I don't have a bookmark yet, so I'll just with this selected I open action, convert the type to again bookmark, and I'll say dark theme. And that's pretty much all we want. So we've got it. Now I'll hide everything. So what we can then start doing is I can click this and it takes me to the dark theme, and then I can click this one, it takes me to the light theme. And what then we can do is we can hide one of the themes. So let's just say I'll hide this page. So whenever someone comes, they always come to the light theme page, and then they can click this button to go to the dark theme. And from the dark theme, they can come back to the light theme. So it's a good hack. There are multiple ways to do it. I think this is also a good way. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers. Bye.